Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram. Sorry, login error. Sorry, something went wrong. To know how to fix Instagram login error, sorry, something went wrong, you should just go here to settings as you see and we will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps here as you see and we will click like this. Then in this list you should to go down to Instagram here. After that, in this page you will go click here in this place force stop here, and then we will click storage here. And after that, when you will go to this page here, we will click clear cache, and then we will click clear data like this. Then you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.